Garlic and honey, two powerful natural remedies, come together in a fermentation process that amplifies their health benefits. Let's explore how to ferment garlic in honey. Step 1. Start by peeling enough fresh garlic cloves to fill a glass jar about halfway. Step 2. Place the peeled garlic cloves in a clean glass jar. Step 3. Pour raw, unpasteurized honey over the garlic until it's fully submerged. Step 4. Stir gently to release air bubbles. Step 5. Seal the jar with a lid, but not too tightly. This allows gases to escape during fermentation. Step 6. Store the jar in a cool, dark place for at least 1 month. You can occasionally open the lid to release gases and give it a gentle stir. After a month, the garlic becomes translucent and is ready to be consumed. How to take it? Simply eat a clove of garlic and a spoonful of honey daily. The health benefits of fermented garlic in honey include boosting the immune system, reducing the risk of heart diseases, anti-inflammatory properties, natural antibiotic properties, improving digestion. Fermented garlic in honey, a simple yet potent remedy. Embrace its benefits and enjoy its unique flavor.